Hello my crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're staying crafty and beautiful as well. And in today's video we are continuing with the Craftroom organization series. So in this episode you are going to see how I store my craft supplies in my Kallax unit. So let's go ahead and flip the camera so you can watch how I store my craft supplies. And in today's video we're going to take a look at some of the cubies of this IKEA Kallax unit, and you're going to see how I store my craft supplies. So let's start. We're going to start in the middle, just reviewing these two drawers. The first one, I store ephemera. As you can see, I have categorized ephemera, you know, spring, summer, birthday, fall. And then the second drawer, it's full of jammies. Again, everything categorized. So I go ahead and grab the jammies that I need. Now let's move to this other one, which is where I keep all my specialty papers. Again, everything labeled and organized like this one. This is where I keep all the acetate, loose papers, vellum, gold and silver, foil, foam, mixed media, and some of the 12 by 12 paper pads are really very unique, like this one. More glitter paper, more texture paper, some books. And this is a box that I am going to take and show you at my desk. Okay, I am at my crafting table, and this is a box full of yarn. Yes, yarn, all kinds of beautiful yarn, you know, for packaging or crocheting or little things here and there. Oh, I have to take this one out for my Christmas projects. And then this is like loose fiber that I use it, you know, for tags or anything. So yeah, so as you can see, everything is contained in one box. And why I have it over there, it's because it's easy, you know, and it's on site where I know that, oh, this is where my yarn in, I can use it, you know, for all kinds of projects. And now let's go ahead and look at the other cubies. Okay. Now let's start with the center. I have here fabrics, but these should not be fabrics, but trims. And I don't know why I have this. So this is where I keep all my trims. Again, things are categorized based on usage, based on color, you name it. So it's easy for me just to open and, oh, I want to get my pink trims. I grab, you know, the basket. Oh, I want to get the white and pastel over here. Oh, I want to get the leaves kind of trim, sequence trims. So it's super easy for me to just grab the bin, you know, sit at my desk and take whatever I need. Or I can just like open this up, take the bins out, whatever I need, and then use it, right? So it's handy, it's at my site, it's easy for me to get things, right? Again, as I mentioned before, in my organizational series, this is a functional way of organizing, and this is how I'm going to see how much of the craft supplies I will be using. Whatever that I'm not using, guess what's gonna go? It's gonna get donated. Now, this other cubie, It's one of the tools that I use, Big Shot. And then these other QV are charms and clips, like paper clips. So here again, I have containers labeled with like this one, metal charms. So I know where to look if I'm looking for metal charms. Paper clips, pins, Valentine resins, hard charms, binder clips. I mean, it's easy for me to just go here, sit down or kneel and look for the right container, take the container out, whatever I need, and start using it, right? And this is for me a functional way of organizing all the charms, all the resins, all the paper clips, all the pins, etc. So everything contained in micro compartments, in other words. And now my favorite part, sequins, all the sequin mixes. My goodness, I went through a huge purge. So here on the top, I have this tool that is good, you know, like to pick up multimedia stuff. Then again, I have like micro compartments where I store sequin mixes that I have bought. Some I have compartmentalized them, like here, some clay bits. And then more stuff. I mean, more sequin mixes by color. Then I have all the other ones, containers, again by color and theme, etc. And here are glitter, and this one should go over here. Then this other one, these are all the old Tuesday morning sequins, you know, jars here and there. So this system works for me in the past, and I'm gonna see how much material I'm gonna be using this time, right? Now we have Christmas, Valentine's Day coming up, you know, so it's good to have. So before, believe it or not, it was up to here. I had like so many sequin mixes that I'm like, okay, these are really old. I don't need that. So, and this is it, my crafty friends. In the next episode, we're gonna go and look at the other cubies, what I have in the calyx, and then look at the core, you know, in detail, and go, you know, piece by piece, how I organize in a functional way my craft supplies. Thanks again for watching, my crafty friends, and see you in my next video. Bye.